The last thing I got are these AG jeans that I got at a consignment shop. I think it looks brand new actually. And what I love about it is that it's really stretchy. So if I'm playing, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a haul for you, and I usually don't do hauls, and by no means did I get this at one shopping go. All of these were bought since the beginning of the year, and now it's April, so in the last 4 months. This is a clothing haul, mostly clothing haul. And a lot of it, I'd say about half of it, I bought it pre-loved in consignment shop. It's there's a local consignment shop called Labels. I not only go to Labels, but I also go to Labels Outlet, which is the store where they have all the stuff that hadn't sold, and then before they send it off back to the owner or back out for donation. So this is the last place that you could shop, and the prices are amazing. So last year I made a vow that I was gonna try to be as green as possible and shop only pre-loved clothing items, and I did. I didn't shop much, obviously, because of what was going on, but those times that I did shop, it was all pre-loved. Here we go. I'm gonna start off by this is a Longchamp little pouch, which is really fantastic. They're normally about $55 or something, but I got this for $20. I mean, it's in great, excellent shape. I loved it so much. And they had one other one. It was sort of lime green, not a color that I normally go for, but because it's a pouch, I figured that, you know, either me or my daughter could use it in the bag or for travel or something, so I got both. I'm going to Hawaii in a few weeks, and so I've been trying to get clothes that I can wear in Hawaii. So part of this is in preparation for that. And this is Carolina Herrera, which is so light, and I thought this would be fantastic for Hawaii. Normally, this in the consignment shop was $75, but I got it I just got this today, so that's what I know. I got it for like $18. So isn't this cute? The other one that I got today is this pants. It's nylon-ish pants by J. Crew with elastic waistband. Again, I thought I could wear this in Hawaii. And this was originally $26 at the consignment shop, but with their discount and everything, it was $6. I got this, it's Max Mara Studio. It's a beautiful red coat, gorgeously, beautifully made. Oh, here, it's 769 euros, whatever that is. Size 38, and this is, it's brand new, and and it's got a slit right here. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And it fits me perfectly, which is amazing because my arms are kind of short. Guess how much I got it for? I got it for $350. $350. Max Mara Studio. It's amazing. I love it and super, super comfortable. It's Joy. Joy sort of runs sort of big. This is a size small. Normally I wear a size medium, and the neckline was too plungy. So I sewed it, but I didn't do a very good job, so I might have to take it to a tailor. This is Theory dress. It's a size 6, and I'm usually a size 6 in dresses, and I like it because it's got no waist. And it's sort of linen blend, and Theory, I think I paid like $20, $20. Maybe 22 or something like that. So amazing, amazing. This is Diane von, I can never say her name. Diane von Furstenberg. And this is a size 8. Again, and this is a wrap dress. And this wrap dress, there's several different wrap dresses that they had. This one was made better than some of the other ones. It was not like, it wasn't finished in the neckline, but this one is finished, and I thought this is a beautiful neutral sort of pattern. And I don't like it like really plunging in the neckline, so I took it to a tailor and I had them put a little snap. I think this was like $25 or $20. What a deal. Okay, so those are items that were from Consignment Shop. I forgot to mention 2 additional Consignment Shop purchases. One is this dress from Theory, and I think I got this for about $15 to $20 at the outlet. The last thing I got are these AG jeans that I got at a Consignment Shop. It looks almost brand new. I think it looks brand new actually. And what I love about it is that it's really stretchy. That why I'm making this video is to let you know that you can find some amazing deals going pre-loved, even in clothes. One thing about buying from the Consignment Shop locally, the labels, is that once you buy it, it's final sale. So I got to make sure that there's no holes or anything like that. So, because I have bought things where I came home and I looked at it and I thought, oh my gosh, there's a stain, or there's a tiny little hole that I didn't realize. So you do have to check, but the rewards are great, and you're saving the environment because it is recycled. I haven't shopped in Uniqlo in a long time. There is no Uniqlo where I live. So the returns are a little bit difficult. I think they charge for shipping or something. And I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for some of these things. Pair of shorts. It's linen, cotton, relaxed shorts. Again, it is, wow, you know what? This is not elastic waistband. Wait a minute. This isn't elastic waistband at all. Is it? No. Yeah, it is. It's an elastic waistband. Great. This was $19.90 and I got it for $14.90. This one is another pair of shorts, linen cotton blend. The shorts can make your tummy look bigger than it is, or it can make your tummy look the way it is. The other thing that I have a hard time finding in Consignment Shop is like t-shirts. Some of those are like too old looking, or they're stained or whatever. So that I like to get new from like Target or Walmart. And this is from Uniqlo. It's $14.90. I think this is a size medium. Yes, normally I wear a medium, so I got a medium. Hopefully it won't shrink. Oh, it's so soft. I love that. I love how soft it is. All right, and then another t-shirt, because I am that kind of person who wears t-shirts all the time. Because I can just throw it in the wash and just wear it. Oh, this is from my mom. My mom has one she got for ultra light down vest. She got it for Christmas as a gift, and she wears it all the time around the house. Saw that it was on sale, and I got it. I paid $29.90. They were originally $49.90. It's so light, and it washes well. She puts it in the laundry machine and washes it, and then she says she just shakes it out and just air dries. So that's for her. I just couldn't pass it up. I got a belt bag. I wasn't gonna buy a Louis Vuitton bag, so I decided to go with a Uniqlo belt bag. And it's got a zipper here. And how much did I pay for this? $14.90. It used to be $19.90. It was on sale. It's got a zipper here in the front and zipper also in the back. Of course, I am not gonna wear it like this, accentuate my big waist. So I will be wearing it like this, or really comfortable or in the front. Looks like I'm carrying a baby. Okay, so super light, very functional. Ooh, it also has a zipper here too. How cool. It's got a zipper here as well. Oh, it's got a little clip right here. Wow, this is really, really functional. So that's it. That's it. So that's what I've bought over the last 4 months. As much as I can, I try to shop pre-loved clothing if possible. The other thing I want to say is that just sort of caution you. I know I just did like a haul. That in the next couple months you're going to see a lot of YouTube videos on clothes. You know, summer sale, Nordstrom half yearly sale, and it seems like almost every big YouTubers are doing these incredible amount of things that they are showing you, and that's their job. I think we sort of have to step back and say, you know, that's the Instagram and social media world, but what do I need before we spend our hard-earned money in buying things and then having it either sit in your closet or you know, go to landfill. Because there's been lots of items that I find in consignment shop that the person has never worn, and you know, it's good for me because I'm getting a brand new outfit for a really good price, but I feel bad for the person who spent all that money. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification so that you would be notified every time I upload more videos. Okay, bye guys.